Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a veggie burrito that I eat often for breakfast. I'm just sharing that recipe with you today. I just finished working out. I ran 2 miles today. So I ran 2 miles and then I did some dumbbell thrusters, some push-ups. I focused on upper body today. So I also shared this workout on my Instagram page. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me at shanai.belton. So yes, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I did share today's upper body workout on my Instagram page, but today's breakfast is a veggie burrito. I have these spinach herb wraps. So these are the spinach herb wraps that I'm going to use. They're only about 200 calories. Yeah, so only about 200 calories, 34 grams of carbs, 350 grams of sodium, only 4 grams of fat. So I got these from Aldi's. So if you have an Aldi's in your area, I love shopping at Aldi's. They've gotten a lot better with having healthy options to eat. So yeah, I got these spinach wraps from Aldi's. So that's what I'm gonna use for my breakfast burrito wrap. And then the veggies that I'm gonna put in here, I have some yellow bell pepper, 1 small red potato, a few green onions, some portobello mushrooms, and some spinach. So I'm just gonna saute that. And then I have about 3 egg whites in this cup here. And you can also get egg whites already separated at the grocery store. I actually separated these myself. And if my husband's watching, he's gonna be annoyed. He hates when I waste or throw away the egg yolk, but it is a little bit lower in cholesterol, and for me, I just prefer to use egg whites with my breakfast burritos. So yeah, I'm using egg whites for my breakfast burritos. So the first thing I'm gonna do is saute these veggies first. So I've sauteed the bell peppers, the green onions, the portobello mushrooms, and the potatoes until the potatoes got a little crispy on the edges. And I added some very simple seasoning, just pepper and Morton's seasoning salt. That was it. So I cooked that first to get the veggies soft and tender. And then the next thing that I add are the egg whites. So I'm adding the egg whites. And also the fresh spinach. You want to cook the spinach last because the spinach cooks really quickly. And I'm just going to fold the egg whites and the spinach together in with the cooked vegetables. I did turn my heat down to about medium-low so that I don't overcook the eggs or burn them. And what I'm going to try to do is get the egg whites and the veggies in one little uniform shape, like a little omelet scramble, so it fits perfectly in my spinach wrap. I'll get a close up so you can see what I mean by my little burrito shape. I don't know what to call it. Just a scramble mashed together. And I turn the heat off. I'll get a close up for you so you can see. I just have all the veggies and potatoes and eggs all smashed together while the heat is off. The heat is off now, so it's still cooking a little bit, but I just wanted to have this nice shape for when I transfer it into my wrap. Okay, now I'm going to transfer my egg scramble, into my spinach wrap. I took one of the spinach wraps out, and I'm going to put all of the veggies inside of the burrito. I also have some non-fat Greek yogurt that's gonna act like our sour cream. You have more protein when you use non-fat Greek yogurt. So there's about 17 grams of protein in one serving, but we're only going to use a few tablespoons of the non-fat Greek yogurt. But I use this in replacement of sour cream. So this is gonna act like our sour cream, our non-fat Greek yogurt. And I also have some organic salsa. And I have a few slices, you probably can't see it, a few slices of avocado that I'm gonna add into our veggie burrito. Just transfer my veggies into my spinach wrap. And these are so good, especially when you add the yogurt, the Greek yogurt. It tastes just like sour cream, but it's yogurt. So I'm gonna add the avocado. So I added my avocado to my burrito, and I'm just gonna add a few teaspoons of salsa. This is, I also got this from Aldi's. This is just an organic, thick and chunky salsa. So just adding just a little tablespoon of salsa. And then our non-fat Greek yogurt for our sour cream. So just using a little bit of that. And this tastes so delicious with the potatoes, and then the creaminess of the Greek yogurt, and then the spiciness from the salsa. It's just a delicious breakfast that I like to eat. So now the next thing to do is just to roll up your burrito. So I'm just gonna take the sides. Actually, I'll probably fold over this side first. So I'll fold over this side first, stuff your veggies in there, then fold over the sides. And there is our veggie burrito. Look how delicious that looks. And I'm probably just gonna have a cup of coffee with this, but it looks delicious. Okay, it is taste test time. My favorite part. Delicious as usual. I love the little bits of potato in there with the tanginess of the salsa, the egg white, and then I love the soft spinach tortilla. So this is delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try. And let me know in the comments down below if you try it and what you think about this recipe. It's so good. So guys, thanks so much for tuning in to my channel. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I truly, truly appreciate everyone that is subscribed to my channel and that likes my videos. I really, really appreciate all of the love and the support. Until next time, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.